Welcome to the deep dive. Today, we're diving into something that's, well, a real pain point for digital nomads: staying connected globally.
Yeah, connection without breaking the bank or, drowning in tiny bits of plastic.
Exactly. We've looked into the usual struggles, those crazy roaming charges, or the whole routine of finding and swapping local SIM cards everywhere you go.
It's a familiar story. Our sources show this is a constant logistical juggle. Arrive, find a shop, get a SIM, activate it. It takes time.
And money. Let's be real, those international roaming bills can be shocking, even if you're careful.
Absolutely. And okay, local SIMs can be cheaper sometimes.
Sometimes, yeah.
But then you're managing like 5 different cards, different numbers maybe. It gets messy fast if you move around a lot.
It really does. There's got to be a better way, right? A simpler approach.
Well, there is, and it's gaining ground. It's called eSIM embedded SIM.
Ah, the digital one.
Exactly. It's basically a tiny chip already inside your phone. The tech lets you download and switch data plans digitally. No physical card swapping needed.
Okay, so for you listening, think about this. You land somewhere new.
Uh-huh.
Instead of that SIM card hunt, you maybe just tap a few buttons on your phone, scan a code, and boom, you've got local data.
Pretty much. That's the idea. Our sources really emphasize this convenience factor. It saves time, reduces stress, huge benefits for frequent travelers.
No more fiddling with those tiny trays and pins.
Right. And potentially saves you money, too, compared to standard roaming.
Okay, let's talk about that. How does it compare cost-wise?
Well, prepaid eSIM plans, like the ones from eSIMo.io we looked into, often offer data rates much closer to local prices.
So cheaper than your home provider's roaming package.
Generally, yes. The sources suggest that for many nomads, switching to eSIMs can mean, a noticeable drop in what they spend each month on data.
Interesting. And you mentioned eSIMo.io. Our research flagged them, too. What's their deal specifically?
Yeah, they seem to be a big player. They offer prepaid eSIM plans covering like over 200 countries.
Wow, 200. That's massive coverage from just one provider.
It is, and the setup is usually straightforward, often just scanning a QR code to get the plan onto your phone.
QR code activation.
Uh,
That sounds super easy.
yeah, very user-friendly, which is key, right? When you're maybe jet-lagged or just trying to navigate a new city.
Totally. And vital for work, too. If you need reliable internet for remote work, creating content, whatever.
Exactly. Being able to switch plans easily, digitally, is a big plus. And sources confirm their plans usually allow tethering, so you can share the connection with your laptop, for example.
Okay, so a single provider, huge coverage, easy activation, tethering. That ticks a lot of boxes for a digital nomad.
It really seems to streamline the whole connectivity thing abroad. One account, digital switching. It just simplifies things.
It makes you wonder, doesn't it? How much smoother could your travels be without that constant SIM card worry?
A lot, I'd imagine.
And to make it even more tempting, eSIMo.io actually gave us a discount code for you listeners. Yeah, it's BUYESIM, all one word, BUYESIM. So if you're thinking of ditching the physical SIMs, might be worth checking them out with that code.
Definitely seems like a strong option. I mean, the potential cost savings, the convenience, it's a compelling package for anyone working and traveling globally.
It lets you focus more on the work or the travel and less on the phone admin.
Precisely.
So yeah, if you're tired of roaming fees and SIM swaps, take a look at eSIMo.io. Use that code BESIM for a discount. Seems like a smarter way to stay connected.
And maybe just think about this as you plan your next trip. What could that kind of seamless, almost effortless global connection unlock for you? What possibilities open up when being online anywhere is just easy?